So here we are today in this edition. We are building for veteran Mr. Hall here, who had some struggles getting around in his home. This addition is framed up. We're getting ready to open up this wall into his home, create a fully accessible bathroom. If you watched Tuesday Toolbox this week, you saw me cutting these rafters, and right up above me, the rafters are in place for the roof for this addition. So we will have more updates as we go forward, as we get the electrical and the plumbing and the insulation and the drywall done. And we'll show you some shots of the interior as we move along. So tune back in to our channel and see more updates and look for Tuesday Toolbox. Thanks for watching.